What's the mother flipping deal, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank Be Chopping, and I'm back with another video. So I wasn't nah, it's over. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank Be Chopping, and I'm back with another video. So I really wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I got some stuff in the mail. I was up here at the shop. I had a few clients today. Let me turn this TV down. Alright guys, so like I was saying, I was up here at the shop cutting. I had a few clients today, nothing major. And I got a package in the mail. So let me show y'all what I got. So check it out, guys. I got the new Gamma wireless Prodigy, and then we also got the Uno. So we finna unbox these. I actually did open up this one, but I'm gonna unbox it on camera for y'all. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. All right, guys, so like I was saying, I just got this in the mail today. It is the new Gamma Prodigy shaver. Now this is the second generation of them, I believe. I do have the ones when they first came out a couple months back. But from what I know about this shaver is, it's supposed to be a better shaver. It's supposed to be quieter. So we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna show y'all what it comes with, and then I'm gonna compare it to the other one real quick so y'all can see basically what it comes with. That's the box. Let's open this bad boy up. You know they always come with the manual. Y'all know what I do with the manuals though. I just chunk them to the side. All right, so this is the shaver right here. It's kind of hard to maneuver this with one hand. Y'all give me a minute. All right. So this is the shaver. So the original shaver that I have is the Stylecraft version. It is the blue color. I decided to go with the black just because I wanted to be a little different, you know, wanted to give myself, make it feel like we got some new tools in. So I'm gonna use this black one right here. All right, let's pop this off. So this is the shaver. Let's turn this thing on. All right, guys, so off the jump, I already know this shaver is already quieter than the older one. Like I said, I have the older one, and just turning it on, I could already tell this one is quieter than the other one. So that's already a good pro to this shaver right here. So we got the shaver right there, and then we got the extra cutters on here. So I know it comes with different cutters. I know they have what's called, I think these are the crunchy cutters. I may not be 100% right on that. But I know they have two cutters. They have this one, and then they have the forged cutter. So I'm guessing the forged cutters are already in there under the shaver. We'll check that out in a minute. But then y'all know it comes with the charging cord. Here's the plug for it. So that's basically it. Like I said, we get the shaver. We got the different cutters. And then we got, you know, the adapter and the cord. But I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but the good thing about this shaver is it's wireless charging. That's why it's called the wireless Prodigy. If you have the 245 mat, you can actually put this on that mat and it'll charge up. You know, they have the little spot with the phone or where they use the air compressor. You can actually put it on that spot, or you can put it on one of the other spots and it'll charge. Matter of fact, let me show y'all real quick. Take a walk with me. Y'all gonna have to excuse the station. We're gonna put it right here. And as you can see, it's charging up. So that's the good thing about this, and that's why I really like it. Here's the old one. Here's the other one that I had. But yeah, so that's why I like this. Check it out. You can just put it there and it'll charge. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this and see the blade that's under it. So here's the shaver. We're gonna pop this, we're gonna pop the top off. Oh, you should, yeah. So if you're gonna take the top off, you should press this button right here. We're gonna push this button, go ahead and take this top off, and that is the different cutters, because as you remember, the other ones were gold. And let's take off the top from the blue one that y'all just seen. So these were the cutters that the original one came with, and then these were the cutters that this one came with. They're black. So I'm thinking, if I remember correctly, these are the forged cutters, and the old one comes with the crunchy cutters, but this one comes with both, but it comes with the forged cutters already installed. I hope I said that right. I could be wrong, but basically, from what I remember, that's how it works. But let's compare it to the other one real quick. So even though they're different colors, it's basically the same thing. Y'all know Stylecraft and Gamma come out with the same tools. It's basically just the lids and the, basically the way they look, they're always just different colors. All right, but let's check it out. So here's the Stylecraft one, this is the Gamma. Same one, this is just the newer shaver than this one. Let me turn the older one on first. Turn that one off and turn this one on. So I don't know if y'all can hear the difference, but I can hear it. Check it out one more time. So you can hear from the jump that this one is a quieter shaver, and like, I think that's gonna make me want to use this shaver even more. I'm not saying the old one wasn't good. I used it a lot, but it was rather loud, especially comparing it to my Babyliss shaver and my other shavers that I had. It was louder, so I kind of didn't use it as much. But if this one stays quiet, I think I'm gonna use this one more. I'm gonna try it out with these cutters on there for a little bit, see how it works, and then I might switch it. I don't know, we're gonna see what we're gonna do, but let's go ahead and go back to unboxing the other shaver that I got. So this is the box. Let me take the plastic off it first. Now this one I haven't opened up at all, so I've never even seen it, never had it before. This is my first time with this shaver. Let's check it out. And the reason why I got this one is, I know a lot of people be like, dude, why'd you get this one? Like, you already have the bigger shaver, what do you need the small one for? Well, I bought this one for basically when I do tapers, broaden out the taper above the ear, when I do low fades, even when I'm like lining people up, you can probably hit right above the mustache with it. You can get down here under the neck with it. So that's why I bought this one. Wanted to see basically how good this one is. I've heard nothing but good things about it. So I wanted to purchase it myself and see actually how good it is. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, guys, so let's open this thing. So open it. So this one has the forged cutter, and then it also has the crunchy cutter. So yeah, so I may have said it backwards earlier, guys. So I think the gold one is actually the forged cutters, and the black ones are the crunchy cutters. I don't know if I said that, but I may have said it backwards, but if I didn't, just disregard this, and if I did, my bad. But let's go ahead and back to opening up this clipper, or this shaver. All right, so it comes with the manual, per usual. We're gonna throw that up there. And then this is the shaver right here, and it is super small, like super, super small. Looks nice. This is the shaver. It's super small. Super small, but it looks nice. It's quiet. And I don't think this one charges on the charging pad, but we can find out. But we're gonna place it up here. All right, so let's see what else is in this. So here is the other cutter right here. So yeah, so this one's the forged cutter, so I believe the gold ones are the forged cutters on the other one. We're gonna put that to the side. We got the adapter, and I don't know if it's the same as the other one. It might be, but it comes with the cord. And then, oh, and it comes with a nice little carrying case. It's kind of dark, you can't really see it, but it says Uno Gamma on it. But yeah, it comes with a little carrying pouch, and then a little brush too, but you know we won't be really using those. So this is the Uno shaver. It looks nice, it's small, but I think we're gonna do some damage with it, man. I'm gonna put it to charge. Unfortunately, I don't have no more clients to cut today, guys, so I won't be showing y'all what this does in this video. But y'all know what to do, guys. Just subscribe to the channel. Y'all know I always be putting out content. So y'all gonna be seeing me use this soon. And y'all know I will be coming with a review soon. I don't know when. Y'all know I like to use my products for a good amount of time before I actually review them. So yeah, guys, but y'all just stay tuned. Y'all know I'm gonna be doing a lot of, reviews with them. I'm gonna be doing tutorials with them. So y'all stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, so like I was saying, these are the 2 new tools that I just received today. We have the Gamma Wireless Prodigy, and then we have the Gamma Uno. As you can see, they're both shavers. This one is bigger than this one, but I'm gonna put them both to use. And I know they're gonna do me right, because I know Gamma always comes out with some good products, so I know they're gonna do me right. If you're interested in purchasing these products, you can go straight to their website. I'll place it down here, because I don't even know what it is off the top of my head. I think it's gammaplusna.com. Not 100% sure, I think that's what it is, guys. But y'all can go straight to their website and you can purchase these tools, and you can use my discount code TANK10 and you get you a small little discount. And if you don't like these, if you like the red ones or the blue ones that y'all been seeing online, you can actually go to the Stylecraft website. I'm not sure what their website is either, but I'll make sure to post it down here. You can go to their website, and you can also use my discount code TANK10 and you'll get a discount on those also. But yeah, these are the shavers, guys. We're gonna put them to work, and I'm gonna be doing a review on these soon. But that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope y'all like this video. If y'all like this video, do your boy a favor and smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. You know how we do it. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, YouTube, let's go.